So the first page that it brings you to when you click on Cascade.com is this home page, which, as you can see, has a large photo, and this is a slideshow. The colours are quite bright, and they represent like a sunny environment. So in this slideshow we have his latest music, which there are links taking you to the videos, and also his albums, as some of these links take you to albums which he has and other artists, and it gives you all the social media platforms you can play his music on. On his homepage he has his shows, all the dates listed, and links where you can buy the tickets. Further down he has links to his latest music and albums, and below that all of his social media platforms, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, iTunes, Spotify, iTunes and Tidal, where you can follow him and listen to his music. Along the top he has a bar, so the first one is his music, where you can click to see his albums, remixes and singles, and then these have links to all of his albums. So you can click and listen. Then he has his videos, so he has music videos as well as show videos, and then his shows, which are the same as on the homepage, but with a large picture showing from a point of view of the stage, looking out at the audience. He also has a journal or blog where he has blog posts, quite not very regular, but they each have a picture and then a little bit of writing underneath, and then you click on and read more. Then the next link is about. So this is a short introduction about him, with again a large photo at the top, which is a recurring theme in this website. And here the colour is quite dark, and it's not a normal photograph. As you can see, it's been edited to look more quirky and interesting. And then there are two short paragraphs about him, again with his links underneath, and then a link to his shop, which takes you to another page where you can buy Cascade's merchandise. So as you can see, there are clothing, and here there is also a mailing list, so which is a way you can interact with him and get notified about his shop. And also he has another picture or slideshow along the top. In the shop he also has Shop Arcade, which is the collection, and where you can buy merchandise of other artists as well. Then lastly, along the top he has his social media platforms again, and he has his logo, which is his name in bold black font with this interesting K. So this is his website. It's quite simple in terms of colours, as it's just a white background with black font, and he has pretty simple pictures all in squares or rectangles, and he has this long picture or photograph along the top and slideshows on a lot of his pages. I think that he has used this image here at the beginning of his homepage because it's quite light colours and an aesthetically pleasing photograph of a sunny day with a blue sky and clouds. This connotes happiness and maybe summer holidays, and would appeal to young teenagers, which is the audience.